Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ives Estates local and long-distance movers near me. The 3 Movers are the only movers that provide a worry-free move. When moving over 50 miles, whether within or outside the state, it is natural to worry about how your belongings will get to your new location. We ensure all our clients have no bothers. We deliver your items to your destination at the agreed time and in excellent condition. Our movers are experts. They handle your items with extreme care and arrange them properly in the trucks. Our moving trucks have large compartments. They protect and secure your items throughout the move. Our professional drivers are familiar with every state and federal highway regulation and follow them. They also have valid licenses and experience to make long-distance moves. Although local moves are less than 100 miles, a lot of things can go wrong. Local moves also require adequate planning and professional execution. In a city like Ives States, FL, gaining access to affordable and efficient moving services is challenging. 3 Movers is a go-to company in the city for local moves. We are right at the heart of the town and are in full operation. We work with local road authorities and have the necessary permit to transport your belongings. Locals enjoy working with us because we deliver excellent services at budget-friendly rates. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour for the workload. Our short-distance moves are prompt and well-coordinated. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ives Estates moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.